Just like many people are saying about the Charlie Kirk. Nobody believes the whole Charlie Kirk narrative that the FBI put out. Who believes that? I don't know anyone who believes the Charlie Kirk narrative the FBI put out. I know I don't. I don't think they'll be able to get a jury to convict unless it's a fully rigged, fully stacked jury like they normally are, handpicked by the FBI. I don't think they'll get a conviction on Tyler Robinson. I don't think he did it. He never admitted to it. He seems to be innocent. He maybe he played a part and got fooled to go up on top of a roof. Say, hey, go up here on top of a roof. But to me, I still believe it. Now it's looking like maybe a smaller caliber from the other side, in and then out. But I still think it was possibly his microphone. The IDF is bragging all about for the last year about how they loaded up pagers full of explosives to their people they wanted to take out. Charlie Kirk, he was speaking out, starting to speak out against Israel, finally. Starting to come around and finally speak out against them, and he got taken out and his entire movement got hijacked. Now Turning Point USA is completely hijacked by neocons, by Israel first, not America first.